Hello students, so today I'll teach you the range of Armstrong numbers program, which I gave you as a practical program if you remember. So here is the program. Okay, so you know that Armstrong number is if you have a number and you find the individual cube sum of that number, then you get the same number. So in this program you have to find a range of Armstrong numbers, that is suppose like between 1 and 1000 or 1 and 10,000 or 1 to 200. How many Armstrong numbers are there? So there are two types of Armstrong programs. One is you'll find a range of values. Within that range of values you'll find out how many Armstrong numbers are there, and the other one is you will enter a number and then you will check out whether it is an Armstrong number or not, right? So based on that you check this program. Now this program I've made some changes, but in the actual program, okay, the variable names you should make it same. So like num, sum, remainder. So you enter the range here, so suppose like 200, and then here in the for loop, uh, I is 1, 1 is less than 200, which is true. Sum will be assigned value 0, num will be assigned the value of I, which is 1. So as long as this while condition is true, that is 1 not equals to 0, these three formulas will keep on executing. Remainder equals to num mod 10, where you take in the remainder. Sum will be, now is 0, so sum will be 0 plus 1 into 1 into 1, 1. So as long as this while test condition is true, sum will retain that previous value. Alright, and num will also retain the previous value. Once this while loop turns out to be false, alright, then what will happen is that it will execute this if sum equals to I, which is in the for loop, right? And then sum will be again assigned the value 0. So as long as the while loop test condition is true, sum will retain the previous value, alright? So so based on that, I have made this dry run method, so for you to understand. Alright, so go through this dry run method nicely. This is see, you can see that I've entered number the value 1, value 2, and then the last value 153. So till value 1 you get is Armstrong number. Alright, you get 1 equals to 1, which is Armstrong. Number 2, if you enter the value 2, you get it's not matching. Sum equals to I is 8 equals to 2, which is not matching, so it's not an Armstrong number. So this will go on till 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like that, till you get the number 153. So here suppose you enter the range of values as 200, right? So that is 200. So you get 153. So 153, if you enter, it is less than 200, true. Sum equals to 0, yes. And then sum will be assigned the value 0, and then num will be assigned the value 153. That is according to the formula that is written. Then 153 is not equals to 0, yes, then it will come here. Okay, so remainder equals to 153 divided by mod 10, which you get 3. Then sum equals to, now is 0, so plus 3 into 3 into 3, you get 27. Num equals to 153 divided by 10, where you get 15 as the dividend. Then again you come here, this 15, because this is in the while loop, right? So as long as the while loop test condition is true, that is num not equals to 0, only when num equals to 0 it will come out. So here 15 not equals to 0, yes, so again it will come here. Then it will take the remainder, you get 5. Then here sum equals to 27, because here previous value of sum was 27, right? It has not come out of the while loop, so sum will retain that previous value. So 27 plus 555, you get 152. Then you divide it, then you get remainder 1. Again that 1 will be tested with 0. Then it comes here, remainder you get 1, sum equals to, you get 153, and then num you get 0. So you can see that the changes of the sum, as long as it is in the while test condition is true, it keeps on adding and adding and adding, right? So in the case of this one, you can see that you get num as 0, right? So once the num becomes 0, what happens is that since it is a single number, so it becomes false, and then it moves on to the next number. But in the case of this, since there are 3 digits, so all the three so all of these are tested, and then you get 153. Alright, so here so finally what you do is that you get the output 153 equals to 153, which is an Armstrong number. Alright, so This is how you get the Armstrong number between 1 to 200. Right. So now if suppose, so this is the output in your program. Sorry, this is how it is written in your program. Okay, IKST, like that. So you have, when you run this program, okay, I think there might be a problem issue with that because of this recording. I may not be able to execute it properly. Just wait. Okay, there's an issue with the recording. However, when you do run this program, okay, you'll get, suppose you enter 200, you'll get only two Armstrong number, that is 1 and 153. You may enter like 154, you may enter any random numbers. All right, so try this program and see the output that you get. All right.